let's identify explanatory and response variables in an experiment. The purpose of an experiment is to investigate the relationship between two variables. So first, the explanatory variable. What does this mean? Well, there's an attempts to explain or influence changes in another variable. So there's different values of this variable that are called treatments, okay? So we're going to, let's say, my favorite example is we're creating a new pill to lower people's cholesterol. Okay, so this would be the explanatory variable, the pill, right? So the treatments could be, we're going to give this pill in like 5 milligrams and 10 milligrams and 15 and 20. So these could be all different treatments, and this is the explanatory variable. We're trying to influence changes in another variable, meaning, in this case, the level of cholesterol. The response variable is the affected variable, right? What is changed by altering the explanatory variable? So as people, like in the experiment, can take, are treated upon by taking the pill to lower their cholesterol, how is the level of their cholesterol changed, right? So the response variable would be their cholesterol level, and the explanatory variable would be the pill that they get, right? There's the treatment that is happening. So the explanatory variable goes with the treatment or whatever is happening to the person or whatever's. Okay. An example, you want to know if there is a relationship between the amount of time an athlete trains for a race and their finishing time. Identify the explanatory and response variables in this situation. Oh, okay, so the explanatory variable is the amount of time the athlete trains. So if you think about this, like if you're training for a race, let's say a marathon, if you walk 10 minutes a day, that's it. That could be an explanatory variable. Or what if you run 4 miles during the week and 10 miles on the weekend, right? Does this change the finishing time? That's what we're trying to see. The amount of time an athlete trains versus their finishing time. So the explanatory variable is the actual training time. And then the response variable is what we're trying to influence, which is the finishing time. And personal experience, yes, there is a relationship. The more and better you train, the lower your finishing time. But that's just with me, is all I'm saying. All right. Hopefully that makes sense.